Hey folks, as per our previous video, we have already seen some of the operators in MongoDB series, and in this video we are going to talk about another operators in MongoDB. So without further ado, let's start the video. So first of all, let's talk about in operator. So basically in operator allow us to get multiple data at the same time, or you can say instead of using or operator, we can use in operator to get the data. So first of all, let's talk about with a small example. So let's say db.book.find, and let's provide here rating, and let's provide here our operator dollar and in. Now it will return us a data which is 567 rating is contained by our database. So for let's press enter, and you can see we have three data here. Rating is 7, rating is 6, and rating is 5. Now let's talk about not in operator. So let's change this in to not in. So just press here N and press enter. So it will return us a data which is not containing 5, 6 and 7 rating. So you can see rating is 4.2, 4.5, 4.3, 4.6, 4, 4.7, 4.4, 9 and 10. So it will return a data which is not containing rating 5, 6 and 7. So that's how this two operator works in our MongoDB. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.